Hi everyone, it's Kylie here back to you today with another video. One thing that I've discovered over the last few months is that finding a good phone case as a woman is actually much harder than it should be. Sure, there's thousands of phone cases out there, but most of them fall into one of two categories. They're either super protective but look like you've strapped a brick to your phone, or they look great but don't offer much protection at all. And then there's another problem. Once you find a case that you like, you're usually stuck with that one colour and design until you're ready to buy another one. So when MagBak asked me to partner with them in this video, I was curious to see whether they could offer something a little different. I've been testing their purple case, their elite case with interchangeable colour kits, and their multi-charger over the last few weeks. And today, I want to share my thoughts from the perspective of somebody who cares just as much about style and personalisation as functionality. So, if you're looking for a phone case that complements your style rather than just protecting your phone, let's take a closer look. Let's start with the one that immediately caught my attention. This is the MagBak Classic Case in purple, and honestly, I absolutely love this colour. If you know me, purple has always been one of my favourite colours, and when it comes to accessories, this shade feels really rich and expensive looking. It's vibrant enough to stand out, but still looks elegant and sophisticated. I've been using this case regularly over the last few weeks, and one of the first things I noticed was how comfortable it feels in the hand. It's slim, lightweight, and doesn't add a huge amount of bulk to the phone. That might not sound like a big deal, but when you're carrying your phone around every day, slipping it into handbags, or constantly picking it up throughout the day, those little things matter. The fit feels excellent, the buttons are nice and responsive, and overall, it just feels like a really well-made case. One thing that I wasn't expecting was how often I'd find myself just picking it up and admiring the colour. That probably sounds ridiculous, but if you're spending a lot of money on a phone, it's nice when the case feels like an accessory that you genuinely enjoy using, rather than something that's simply there just for protection. For me, this is exactly the kind of case I'd recommend if you want something stylish, simple, and easy to live with every day. Now, let's talk about the product that surprised me the most. And honestly, this is where MagBak really got my attention. At first glance, this looks like a beautiful neutral beige phone case, but sitting beside it are the colour kits. And this is where things get interesting. One of the things that I've always found frustrating about phone cases is that once you've chosen a colour, that's it. If you want a different look, you're usually buying another case. You can swap out the accents and completely change the appearance whenever you want. And I have to admit, I've had way too much fun doing exactly that. Some days I like the clean neutral look, other days I want something brighter. Sometimes I want the phone to match my handbag, or to match my outfit, or I have been known to match my nails. And sometimes I just want something different. The fact that I can change the look in a matter of seconds makes this feel much more personal than a traditional phone case. It's almost like having multiple cases in one. If you're somebody who enjoys personalising your accessories, I think you'll really get on with this one. And while the customisation is the headline feature, the Elite case itself is also excellent. It feels premium, looks fantastic, and still manages to feel slim enough for everyday use. And here's a random one. The magnets are so strong that this has actually become my case that I take to the gym. I just stick it straight onto the machines instead of leaving it on the floor or balancing it somewhere awkward. If I had to pick one standout product from today's video, this would probably be it, because it solves something that I didn't even realise was annoying me until it wasn't anymore. The final product that I've been testing is the multi-charger. Now, being married to Michael means that I've probably had access to more charging accessories than most people. There's usually chargers arriving at the house all the time, and over the years I've used everything from simple MagSafe stands to premium 3-in-1 charging stations. So it's actually quite difficult for a charger to stand out. What I like about the multi-charger is that everything has a spot. My phone, my watch, AirPods. I genuinely just stopped thinking about it after a day or two. And it does it in a compact design that it doesn't take over the bedside table or desk. What I find myself appreciating most is how clean the whole setup feels. There's no clutter, there's no deciding where devices should go, there's no juggling multiple charging accessories. I've also used it while going on nights away, and that's where I think it makes even more sense. Instead of packing separate chargers and cables for different devices, I can throw one charger into my bag and know that everything's covered. Is it the first 3-in-1 charger that I've ever used? Not at all. But it's one of the nicest looking and most practical charging solutions that I've used recently, and it's become my go-to charger over the last few weeks. And considering the number of charging products I've had access to over the years, that's probably the biggest compliment I can give it. Coming into this video, I expected to find a couple of nice phone cases and a charger. What I didn't expect to find was products that felt genuinely different from a lot of what I've used before. The purple classic case is beautiful, and if you love colourful accessories, this one's for you. The MultiCharger has earned a permanent place on my bedside table because it makes charging all of my devices so simple. But for me, the star of the show is definitely the Elite case with the colour kits. The ability to completely change the look of the case whenever I want makes it feel much more personal than a traditional phone case. So if you're looking for an iPhone case that balances style, customization and everyday practicality, I think MagBak has done a really good job here. But now, I want to hear from you. Which colour combination would you choose? Let me know down in the comments below. Over the last few months, I've tried quite a few cases that are a little different from the ones that Michael would normally review. So if that's something that you'd be interested in seeing my top picks, let me know down in the comments below. And if enough of you are interested, we'll make it happen. Also, if you want to follow me on my platforms, I'll leave you the links down below. As always guys, thank you so much for watching. We really appreciate it, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.